Ripple is inexpensive. Currently, it trades around $1. But despite its low price, XRP still has a respectable market cap of $50 billion. And it is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. A few months ago, XRP gave a massive return. From 20 cents, it went all the way up to $2, moving up nearly 1000%. So, after such a huge up move, can we still buy XRP? Or is it too late to think about it? Well, let's find out. No doubt Ripple gave a huge return to its early investors, but Ripple is still in its early days. The reason for this is simple. Ripple is not just a cryptocurrency. Instead, Ripple Labs is a company and it provides financial solutions to banks and other financial institutions. So, Ripple does not work against the banking system like other cryptocurrencies do. Instead, it works with the banking system to make it more secure and advanced. And as transactions made through Ripple are fast, secure, and practically free of cost, many companies from around the world prefer to use their network. And Ripple uses the XRP token to secure and simplify these transactions when making bulk international transfers. Many reputable companies such as American Express, Santander, Bank of America, and so on has partnered with Ripple to make their overseas transactions more and more efficient. Currently, Ripple has business tie-ups with more than 200 companies from around the world. And this number is expected to grow further in the future, as the technology behind Ripple is brilliant and it works. Even though more and more companies are beginning to adopt Ripple, the SEC's case against Ripple is seen as a little drawdown by some companies. The Securities Exchange Commission of the United States is holding a case against Ripple for circulating XRP token without proper registration. Basically, SEC argues that instead of selling shares to the public like normal company does, Ripple released XRP tokens to the public and accumulated funds, which is seen as a violation of law and registration requirements. As this case is still pending and oscillating in favor of both SEC and Ripple, many companies from around the world are still indecisive about using the Ripple network yet. But if the case ends in favor of Ripple, then we can expect an explosive return from XRP tokens. However, if the case drags on, we can still expect XRP to slowly grow as more and more Asian companies are still adopting Ripple despite their ongoing case. So, ignoring all the speculation about the price of the XRP token, Ripple's technology is actually welcomed and adopted by many financial institutions from around the world. Now, coming to the competition, Ethereum is a notable competitor to Ripple. However, companies prefer Ripple over Ethereum because transaction costs in Ripple is very, very low. On the other hand, transaction costs in Ethereum network is really high. We already mentioned this when we talked about SHIB token. If you want to see that video, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And the next thing that makes Ripple a better choice is its amazing transaction volume and speed. The transaction volume in Ripple is way higher than Ethereum. For instance, Ripple can handle 1,500 transactions per second, while Ethereum can only handle 15 transactions per second. And similarly, the transaction speeds are also incomparable, as Ripple only takes about 4 seconds to complete a transaction, while Ethereum, on the other hand, takes nearly 2 minutes to do so. So, undoubtedly, Ripple comes up top. And no wonder it's preferred by banks and other financial institutions. And Ripple doesn't just stop there. Currently, it is moving into CBDCs or central bank digital currencies. Right now, as we speak, Ripple is working on creating private ledgers which can be used by central banks and governments. Basically, when governments are releasing digital currencies, which is unavoidable, Ripple would be ready to offer its services to these governments as well. No wonder in 2014, Ripple was named as one of the 50 smartest companies by researchers in MIT University. So, considering all these current projects, future plans, business tie ups, and so on, XRP still looks good for investing, as the future of Ripple is looking bright. But despite a successful business behind, XRP is still trading in a stiff range between 50 cents and $2. There are two major reasons for it. One is the ongoing case with the SEC, as we already saw, and the other one is due to the massive selling. Ex-CTO of Ripple, Jed McCaleb, who is holding billions of XRP tokens, has been selling it aggressively for over a year now. And this has put a lot of downside pressure on the coin. But interestingly, despite this heavy selling activity and the ongoing case, XRP still manages to hold the $1 mark, which is pretty impressive. In a way, it is a good indication because $1 acts as a strong area of psychological support. And finally, the broad market sentiments are turning more and more bullish. So, with its low price and strong business backing, XRP could perform pretty well in the crypto markets. And some crypto enthusiasts believe that XRP could reach $2 by the end of 2021 once the bullish trend sets in.